Well, this is pits of the pits. I mean, like, inside the hospital premises, if a young doctor or any doctor for that matter is not safe, then, and also this kind of a brutalization, the reports that you are reading is nothing less than what happened to Nirbhaya, nothing less than what happened to Guria. I mean, what is happening in spite of stringent legislation? We saw people being hanged. But what speaks volumes about social mindset, but at the same time, the kind of arrangement we are making hold people accountable. That's my first issue. That why this hospital, did they have enough security for their doctors? Are they making arrangements in terms of not just the camera but human beings who are there to stop these kind of things? What kind of a accountability the hospital system or the system of nursing homes? So first hold them accountable. And also for this case, as fast as you can, please put it on the fast track, as Mamata Banerjee herself has accepted and is ready to do it. I think show to the nation that we respect our women. Show to the nation for once that you will not allow such people to get away with this kind of a crime. Years and years of talking about these issues, my blood boils, when I come across such kind of incidents. Number three, I just heard from the Indian Medical Association and two doctors, a doctor from Bombay, another doctor from Delhi. They called me, we spoke to each other. What is happening to protection of violence against doctors bill?
Yes.
Why is this parliament holding on to such an important piece of legislation? What are they waiting for? Are they waiting for some more doctors to be brutalized, raped? Are they waiting for some doctors to be killed? What is it? This parliament's responsibility. They have met everybody, as far as I heard from the delegations. They have met the president. They have met the
Yes.
health minister. Everybody. They have been, asking for this bill. Why are we waiting for some major casualty to happen like this one
Absolutely.
that happened in the hospital?